Welcome to Tansen Sangeet Mahavidyalaya, Ahimsa Khand. Located in Main Market area, we are specialized in imparting training in all art forms. With a wide reception and a waiting area, our infra is suitable for effective learning. We provide transportation facility to the student living in fairly distant areas. Our classrooms are neat and clean, fully air-conditioned, equipped with industry-standard equipment. We give personal attention to each student. We have highly qualified teaching faculty who not only teaches according to the standard syllabus, but also share their huge experience with the student. Not only music, fine arts and all dance forms are very popular among the students. Purely classical dance forms like Bharatanatyam and Kathak blends with the modern-day Bollywood dance styles.
I'm an engineer by profession and I have 10 years of experience in education industry. And I started this academy keeping in point of view that these days it's very important for children to have something extra in their curriculum other than studies, where they can showcase their creativity.
Personal counselors provide all kinds of assistance to the student and their parent.
We have also started theatre workshops where they can improve their communication skills, and we have different group activities so that they have a holistic growth and overall personality development.
हमारे यहाँ प्रोफेशनल कोर्सेज कराए जाते हैं, जैसे अगर आप इंस्ट्रूमेंट लेते हैं तो इंस्ट्रूमेंट भी हमारे यहाँ यूनिटी कॉलेज ऑफ लंदन से कराया जाता है। देन अगर आप क्लासिकल करते हैं, प्रयास संगीत समिति से हम कराते हैं, वोकल, कथक, भरतनाट्यम, तो हमारा प्रयास संगीत समिति से होता है और प्राचीन कला केंद्र से।
जब मैं तानसेन में आई तो एक्चुअली मैंने अपनी बेटी को ज्वाइन कराने के लिए सोचा था, वोकल, डांस एज वेल एज आर्ट, एंड द बेस्ट एटमॉस्फेयर विच आई सॉ हियर वाज कि यहाँ पे हर स्टूडेंट्स को पर्सनल अटेंशन दिया जाता है. ऑल्दो दे आर हैंडलिंग बिग ग्रुप ऑल टुगेदर, दे माइट बी 6-7 स्टूडेंट्स इन द क्लास, बट they are giving focus, they are taking out mistakes from each and every student, giving them personal attention. That is the best part of it.
Taking highlights in all local newspapers, we make sure each student gets a chance to participate in our grand events. Our special mentors, CCTV cameras and watch guards take special care of each student. Always being under the guidance of the grandmasters of music industry, we make sure to deliver good quality of education. We welcome you to join hands with us. Thank you.